Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to change hotspot name in Oppo phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, scroll up and go to the setting icon. Here you will see, so click on the setting icon. Now you will see many options here. You have to click on the other wireless connection option, so click on that. Then here you will see personal hotspot option, so click on that. After that you have to click on the personal hotspot setting, then click on that. So if you want to change your hotspot name, so erase that name and customize new name which you want. So I want only Oppo, so click on that. Now save, and here you will see in this way hotspot name is changed in our mobile phone in that way. So I hope this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video, and if you have any query regarding any function of mobile phone or PC, so please comment us. Thank you so much for watching our video.